Okay, order of operations. One way to remember is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. It's called PEMDAS. And it just gives the order of things, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division. Those are on the same level because they're in order that they appear in the problem from left to right. It doesn't mean multiplication first and then you do division. It's from left to right. And addition and subtraction is always saved for last. So how I do these is I go ahead and separate the terms with that have pluses and minuses like this. So I leave any pluses and minuses just in between everything. And then I just do one box at a time. So 0.36 times 1.6. Multiplication with decimals, you want to line up the numbers, not the decimals. So then you do 6 times 6 is 36. Carry the 3. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1 is 21. Then you need a placeholder. 6 times 1 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. Add those up. 6, 7, 5. And because you had 1, 2, 3 decimal places total, you've got to have 3 decimal places in your answer. Now we're going to add 4.17 to that. Now with addition, you have to line up your decimals, not the numbers. So 4.17 and 0.576. There's nothing here, so I'm going to put a 0. Keep your decimals in order and add 14, carry the 1, 7, 4.76. I'm sorry, 4.746 is the answer to that one. Okay, so again, separate any addition or subtraction symbols with boxes and then handle each box and then put them all together. So 0.38 times, again, multiplying with decimals, keep the numbers lined up. 8 times 8 is 64, carry the 6. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 6 is 30. Then you need a placeholder. 8 times 1 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. Add those. 4, 8, and 6. And you had 3 numbers after the decimal in the problem, so 3 numbers in your answer. Then you're going to take that 0.684 and you're going to add 7.26 to that. Now when you're adding, you keep the decimals lined up. So multiplying, keep the numbers lined up. Adding, keep the decimals lined up. So you need a 0 here. So then you add those, carry the 1, 9, keep the decimal in where it's at, 7. Okay, so 7.944. The next one, again, put boxes around everything that's not addition or subtraction. So we've got 2 multiplications that we have to do on this one. So I'm going to put the 1.9 first because it has more digits. Times 5. Okay, 9 times 5 is 45. And 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, and this problem had 1 decimal place, so your answer must have 1 decimal place. Now you got another box that has stuff going on inside, so you got to do this multiplication. 3.4 times 8. Okay, that's 32. Carry the 3, 24, 27. 1 decimal place, so 1 decimal place. Now those represent those 2 boxes. Now you have to do what's in the middle. You have to add them. So keep your decimals lined up. 9.5 plus 27.2. Again, keep your decimals lined up. 7, 16, carry the 1, 3, so you get 36.7.